Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your reading pane on Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to View, Settings. We want to now go to Layout and scroll to where it says Reading Pane. How would you like your reading pane to be laid out? At the moment, we have every email on the right. Let's now click on bottom, click on save to now have every email visible on the bottom. So we can now go back to view settings, scroll to the bottom, fill the screen, click on save. If I were to let's just now click on an email, that will fill the full screen. We would have to click on the X to go back in time to all the emails on screen. Let's go back to view settings, scroll to the bottom, pop out only, click on this, save. Now if we were to let's just say click on an email, double click, that will pop out the whole email on screen. But let's now click on X, go back to view settings and revert it to right, save. An email is now visible on the right hand screen, so we can now quit Google Chrome. After that's about this video, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.